Hello YouTubers and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in again today. So today's video is going to be my January 2018 Birchbox unboxing. So this is the Birchbox for this month. It's in collaboration with Oh Dear and they are a stationery company. And yeah, I just absolutely love this box. So I've only just signed up to Birchbox. This is the first box that I've received. It costs £10 per month and then it's £2.95 for postage and packaging. I did get money off on this first box, as I think everybody does with their first box. So it cost me £7, I think, or £7.95 because it was £5 for the box and then obviously the postage and packaging. But yeah, I've got to say the quality of the actual box itself is fantastic. I was really impressed with that. And the design is absolutely gorgeous. I mean, who doesn't love flamingos? So yeah, so I'm literally just going to get on with it and show you exactly what I got inside my January 2018 Birchbox. Okay, so the first product that I received is this Parlour by Jeffrey Chastain Moisturizing Sea Salt Spray. Now, I do use sea salt spray quite a bit in my hair, especially when I'm doing like a beach wave sort of look, just because my hair is quite thin and I do require some texture in my hair from products. So this is absolutely fantastic, to be honest, for me. Yeah, I'm really happy with that. So I'm just trying to get the leaflet out. That shows you how much everything costs. So in every Birchbox you get the leaflet here, which tells you about the company that they are in collaboration with, and then on the inside it tells you everything about the products that they've put inside your box. So the Parlour Moisturizing Sea Salt Spray retails at £17 for a full size. Now this is obviously just a taster size of 30 mils. So yeah, not bad at all. We'll have to give that a go and see how we get on. The next thing we have in our box is something that I knew was coming. So it is a Lord and Berry blush crayon. Now, I've never had a crayon blush before. Yeah, so it's a little bit strange to me because you always think of a crayon being more dense and tougher, whereas with a blush, you obviously want it to be nice and creamy, so it'll blend well. Now, with this one, like I said, this is one of the ones that we knew we were going to be getting, and there was a choice. You could choose between two different colours. So this is the more pinky one, and then there was more of a peachy pink one, which I would have preferred. However, I unfortunately didn't get in there in time to actually pick the one I want. So I'm not actually going to swatch this, because what I'm going to do is I am basically going to be subscribing to Birchbox every month, getting one every month for this year, and I am going to save the products that I am not going to use, or the products that I don't want, or ones that I may have had in the past, or you know, ones that I've got copies of, and I'm going to do a huge giveaway. So if you're interested in that, guys, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you can stay in tune with everything that I get every month. So yeah, so that will be going in the giveaway. And this usually retails at £15, and this is a full size one, which basically means that this product alone is worth more than the actual cost of the box. So next item that's in the box is this Marcel waterproof eyeliner in deep charcoal. Now, I'm not normally a kohl eyeliner sort of person. I normally just like the liquid eyeliner. However, I like the colour of this, and I think this would be fantastic for a more subtle kind of smoky eyeliner look, you know, when you don't want to wear too much makeup. Now this isn't a full-size product, but the full-size product does retail at £10.99. But to be honest with you, I think just as a tester, that is a fantastic size, and I'm actually really, really impressed with that. Let's give it a quick swatch, because I'm definitely going to be keeping this one. Oh, that's really nice. And can we blend it out before it dries? Sort of, yes, I guess. I guess you could. It's actually showing up better in person than it is on camera. But yeah, I really like that product, and I'm pretty sure that I will get some good use out of that. So the next product is this Thermalive. Is that correct? Am I saying it right? Thermalive Hydraactive Night Cream. Now, I am in my 30s and I do not wear a night cream. And I have started to notice some extra lines around my eyes, slightly saggy, droopy eyelids. So I was actually thinking that I should invest in a good night cream. And now I'm so glad that this has come in the box. Obviously this is just a tester size, but it's not a bad size at all. How big is it actually? So it's 15 mils, so that is not bad at all. And literally all you do is just clean your face at night, the way you would normally, and then you just apply this to your skin before you go to sleep. And yeah, so this would normally retail at £15.75. It doesn't say what size it actually is, like for the full product. But I'm guessing that it'd be 30 mils, seeing as this is 15. So, or it could be even more than that, I have no idea. Okay, and the final product in the box this month is this Magic Makeup Remover from After Spa. So this retails at £5.50 for the full size. This is obviously just a taster cloth. But basically, with this cloth, you can remove all of your makeup with water. Now I find that really, really hard to believe. So what does it say? So forget the various lotions and potions that usually assist in the removal of makeup. With this ultra soft cloth, there's only one thing that you need: water. That's right, just wet the cloth and massage it over your face to break down impurities and remove all types of makeup. So, I don't see how this is going to work. So to me, it looks like it is just a normal microfiber cloth, and I have had a makeup removing cloth before, just a cheap one from Primark, and it didn't work. So I don't really have high hopes for this, to be honest, but I will give it a try. Now it does say on the back, on the instructions, that you do need to machine wash it first, which I didn't do with the Primark one, so maybe that was the problem. So I will pop it in the washing machine and I will give it a go. And if it is any good, guys, I will definitely let you know. So there we are then, peeps. That is everything that I received in my January 2018 Birchbox. So I'm really impressed with it, to be honest, as my first Birchbox. I was a little bit dubious and a little bit worried because I do have a few friends that subscribe to Birchbox, and they say that it doesn't arrive on time and the products that they get in it don't reflect what they put on their questionnaire, because with Birchbox you have to kind of like fill out a questionnaire about your hair type, your skin type, products that you're interested in, your age, things like that. So all of the things in the box can be relevant to you. I have to say that this month, although it is my first box, has been very relevant to me, and I'm very, very happy with it. So one other thing I just wanted to say as well, my Birchbox videos will not all be like this. I have been suffering with a really, really bad cold and sinus problems for the last few weeks. And I just do not feel like having my face on camera at the moment. But if you do like the way that I am doing it like this, then obviously please leave me a comment and let me know, and I will carry on doing it this way. But in the future, I hope that I you do see my face. Because I think sometimes, well, all the time, it's better to see true reactions to the products. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Definitely subscribe if you're interested in the giveaway at the end of the year that I'm going to be doing with all the products that I will not be using or already have from Birchbox. I'm hoping that there's going to be quite a bit for you to take away and win. So yeah, thanks once again, and until next time, you guys take care and stay safe. Bye.